This video shows how to replace the fan on an XR4000Z. Before removing the fan, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the XR4000Z service manual at dell.com/support. In order to remove the fan, you must first remove the cover and the power module assembly. To remove the rear cover, remove the 6 screws that secure the cover to the chassis. Then pull the cover to disengage it from the chassis. To remove the power module assembly, loosen the captive screw, securing it in place. Then pull the assembly from the chassis. To remove the fan, disconnect the fan and switch detection cables from the power module assembly. Then remove the screw securing the fan assembly in place. And remove the fan. To install the fan, align and place the fan assembly on the power module assembly. Replace the screw that secures the fan in place. And then reconnect the fan and switch detection cables. To install the power module assembly, align and slide it into the chassis. Next, tighten the captive screw to secure it in the chassis. To install the rear cover, align and place the cover on the chassis. Then replace the 6 screws to secure the cover to the chassis. For more information or support, visit dell.com/support.